Hello, good afternoon kay Lian. Nag-live tayo ngayon kasi mai-share lang ako na mahalagang katanungan, no? This is the question. Do you pray for others to God's heart? Nasubukan niyo bang pinag-pray yung kapakanan ng ibang tao kaysa sa inyong sarili? Kayo na po ang makakasagot dyan. Alam po natin na ngayong araw at oras ay ginaganap yung prayer and peaceful rally doon sa Kim 5 Public Market. And they're calling and praying for love, unity, and peaceful Benguet. Maganda po ito para sa lahat kasi ang probinsya natin ngayon ay may division na, watak-watak. May kanya-kanyang sinusuportahan, no? At sinusundan na partido o grupo. At alam nyo, yung division na ito ay siyang sumisira sa ating ugnayan, sa ating relationship sa isa't isa. At yung nagsasuffer dito ay ang ating komunidad mismo, ang ating probinsya mismo, at tayo mismo na taga-Benguet. Kaya everyone is calling for unity. Kasi ang ating Panginoong Kristo mismo ang may sabi sa kanyang mga alagad from the Gospel of St. John, chapter 17, verse 20 to 26, and I will read it for you. My prayer is not for them alone. I pray also for those who will believe in me through their message, that all of them may be one. Father, just as you are in me and I am in you, may they also be in us, so that the world may believe that you have sent me. I have given them the glory that you gave me, that they may be one as we are one. I in them, and you in me, so that they may be brought to complete unity. Then the world will know that you sent me and have loved them even as you have loved me. Klaro po, no? Na ang gusto ng ating Panginoong Kristo ay magkaisa tayo. No? Bakit importante na magkaisa tayo? Bakit importante ang unity? Because unity is a power. Unity is a strength. Kasi kung may division, no, it will destroy our community. It will destroy our relationship. Ito sana po ang palagi nating tandaan, na ang pagkakaisa ay pagmamahal. Ito po ang iniwan ng ating Panginoong Kristo na gawin natin, na isabuhin natin. Amen. Your true Cubs from Benguet First, Provincial Mobile Force na panino palaging sabing, be grateful, be joyful, be thankful. With a humble heart. Thank you po and God bless.